Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 9 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add all our mullions and then our curtain walls. Now we're gonna continue working on this. I just saw that we forgot to add mullions on this side and then on this side as well. And then now we just need to delete all these ones. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it on this side and then hold on shift, select. So I'm gonna make sure just to select only on this side. Remove the shift and then click on that, and then you could just delete. And then right here as well. So all corners, hold on shift and then delete on those. And then here, make it slant a bit so that we don't select anything that we need. And then here is the part that we need to extend it a bit, just to see where this one lies upon, because we need at least a mullion to connect to make it look nice. I think that's good enough right there. That there, and then like this. But I believe the best way is to move this one as well, so that everything is connected. As you can see, even though it's overlapping, I like the corner of the mullion. Here is good. We could do this as well. So I'm gonna undo this part right there, and then instead of this way, I'm going to put it on this so that it's not showing. I think that's good enough there. So mullions are touching there, and then this one is covered there. This exterior wall is showing up, so let me fix that again. I think this one is the culprit, so we just need to move it a little bit. Yes, so we have no choice but to add, or we have to overlap that, but that's good enough. I'm happy on the way it looks now. We need to add the door right here, so we need to go to insert, load family, go to doors, and then here we have curtain wall single glass. Click on open, click on tab, select that, and then click on that door. And then right here as well, click on the tab, go to drop down, and then select that. Can't make door single, not sure what the issue is. Delete type, replace panel. So in terms of here, we cannot add it. In order to check the orientation of that, not sure what's the reason it's not going here, but here we need to change the orientation. So I'm gonna flip it by going to second floor. Let me review this later on why it's not showing like that. Go to east elevation or west elevation. I'm gonna do it on this way. It's still not going, so maybe something to do with the way the mullions are added. I'm gonna delete the mullions and see if that works, and maybe I could reapply. Okay, so now click on tab until you select that panel, and then there we go. I think that's because of the mullions, multiple mullions. So I'm just gonna add a single one, not there, single segment or grid. This one is showing some errors. So it's really not possible when you have. So I'm just going to change it like this. So we have the door, and then try to add the mullion again. Let's see if that works. So it's when you're adding it, it's not letting you add it. Yeah, so that's the issue we have. I'm just gonna leave it like this because we still have a nice one like this. So I'm gonna leave it like that and then just check the orientation. So we're gonna flip it on this side. So I'm happy, still happy with this. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to add the model here. So model in place this part. Let's go to our south elevation, and then we're gonna start from here. I'm gonna click on model in place, generic model, press OK, and then extrusion, pick a plane. I'm gonna select this wall right here, and we are going to choose a materials, a gypsum wall board, but duplicate on that. So we have another one. I like to start with the white first and then work my way. And then here, and then we need 400 on all. This one should be 400, which is it already is. Trim and extend on the corners. Delete this one right here, and then trim and extend here. And then here, in terms of extrusion, maybe let's do 500 for now. And pull it. $1,200, or we can even go 1500. Click on apply. Yeah, let's go with 1500. And then after that, let's go to west elevation and add the same thing. Extrusion, pick a plane, select this wall, and then here we just need to go over that. Delete, and then delete anything that is over. And then click on finish. This one, we just need to maximize that. Here, we did this one as 1500, so we need to do 1500 as well. As you can see, that looks good. What probably I'm gonna do is, because this is the front, yeah, the seam is not gonna be shown, it's gonna blend in. We just need a curtain wall right here, so go to level 2, and then we could just add curtain wall. So go to wall and then add that one right there. There we go. And then we just need to pull it back to the edge like that. And then go to 3D and then pull it down. Enough height to go around like that. So that looks good. As you can see, we have this all around like that. And then we still going to add the trim here to make it look nice, and a trim here as well, just to extrude that more. And we have this wall right here that is all over. Still looking if I should add a window right here, because it's possible to add a window there. Because the way this one look, we can still add something. Also, I want to go back to 3D and to add something right here. I want to add an indentation so that we could put in. So I'm going to finish this first and then add a sweep void, and then sketch, pick path. I'm gonna pick this path right here, and then TR, trim and extend, and then I'm gonna select that, and then we're going to edit profile, and then we're going to add an indentation right there. I need to know the distance, so probably, yeah, I'll do 40, and then this is 100, and I just need to know maybe 100 from here, so I'm gonna move it. So 100 from here, 100, and then so let's do this again. And then we could do this one now. I'll do 50 by 100. Let's select this one instead. And then click on finish, and then finish. And then cut geometry, and then a simple design like that looks really amazing. So now the only thing we need to do is do it on this side now. So select this, so click on finish this first, select edit, and then create a void form as well. So void sweep, pick path, select this path or this path instead. Pick path on those and over right here. Select finish, go back right here and click edit profile and do the same thing first. So 100, and then here go back. This is 100. So you click the ones that you want to move. So this one should be 50, and then click here because I wanted to move it on this side. So 100, and then delete this, click finish, and then click finish, cut geometry, and then click finish again. So now we have something like that. A very subtle but really nice addition. It's not something that is overpowering, but after this what we need to do is edit in place again, and then we need to just click on paint. I want the luminaire. So because of that, we need to create a sweep, and then here pick path. We need to choose the path that we have right here. Fortunately, it takes a while to do this, but once we've done, you can see the difference. Select the ones like this. We're gonna go around. It will be a loop now, and you want to make sure everything is good. After that, let's add in a profile. We can add it on this side now, knowing that this is 50, so that's good. And then we could just put this one as 10. And then the materials, this one is the important one, luminaire. This one, luminance. So glass, apply, okay, and then click on finish, and then click on finish again. And as you can see, we have it right there. It's just not visible, but if we put it in realistic, you'll be able to see it. Just give it some time. There we go, the gray part. We can stop it now and just change this to consistent color. so we don't spend more time on that. We all know that it's there already, and we're going to do this one as well. Same idea, what we're gonna do. Also, the flooring right here, let's change this to gypsum. But a duplicate. Apply OK, and then OK. So even though this is clad white, I believe, we can do clad white as well. Edit. And then duplicate this. I just want the consistency of the color to show so that it looks nice. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So this is the floor that we have. I'm probably here for the first one. TR, trim and extend on this one. I don't want to show that anymore. And then here, edit boundary. I'm just going to align this one. Click finish on that. So that looks flush there, and we just need to add this part right here. What I'm gonna do is click on model in place, generic model, and then go into our south elevation, extrusion, pick a plane, select this one right there. We're gonna use the same one. I would like to make it consistent now. And then just delete this, and then just trim it. And then align this one so that everything is properly aligned. Leave it to 500 now because we're not gonna put any more balcony, and I think that's good enough in terms of the size. And then we're going to go to our, I believe this is east elevation, create again, same thing. We need to add it here, add 400 there, add 400 here, delete, TR, trim and extend, and then trim and extend right here. Select finish, and then here we could just align it here, AL, right there. Before we finish, we could click on void sweep, pick path. We're gonna select on this side now again. Click finish, and then we're gonna do the same profile, 100, and then we could do the 50, 100. click on finish, and then finish again, and then cut geometry. And then we could also do another sweep. Pick path. We're gonna select those paths again. If you make a mistake, just delete those ones. Pick path again. Pick 3D. The good thing about this is you just need to pick once and then everything will follow. And everything is connected already. Click finish, edit profile, and then select this one, 50, 10. Click finish, glass already is selected, and then click finish again. And we have the same idea on there. So I'm happy with that. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.